welcome to my channel, SteveO the window cleaner, and these are not my work clothes because today Mackintosh is going to take over my channel and explain some water-fed pole technique. Enjoy.
Hey, so I'm going to show you how to thoroughly clean a window using water-fed pole, the Mackintosh way. This is quite a simple window, but it's really nicely show how to use water-fed pole to make sure you get a nice spotless finish. So the first thing we do, what's really important I find, is to really do a thorough job of this top area here. Not just this part of the frame that opens, but also this part of the top kind of behind that. Because at the end, if there's any dirty water left sitting up there, it could potentially drip down and drip dirty streaks down your window. Dirty spots could be left on the window. So I always start with the frames and start by giving all the frames a good scrub, especially along that top area and down the sides, using plenty of water to wash out that area there. After I've done that, I'll concentrate then on the glass. Never underestimate the importance of giving the glass a good scrub with the brush. Make those bristles work hard. So I'll go across the top there, making sure I get into the corners, making sure I get the bristles along the rubber seals, and then I'll work up and down with the brush. Now if you want to be really thorough, what I like to do is work up and down with the brush, making sure I get along the seals, but then I do like a good sideways shimmy as well. Okay, so give it a bit of a shimmy from side to side all the way down the window. The reason I do that, I feel that if I've covered the whole window up and down from top to bottom, and I've covered the whole window from side to side, I've covered all the glass, giving it a good scrub in two directions. That helps me feel confident that I've covered the whole window thoroughly and I've really agitated all that dirt from off the glass. So once we've done that, rinse thoroughly with water, making sure we get a good rinse, a good stream of water all the way from that top edge of the frame, working all the way down the glass. I love the pencil jets for this. Really gets into those seals, especially wash out the seal along the bottom there, make sure there's no dirt left. And then to finish off, I'll always go over the sill as well to make sure I've given that a clean and left no standing water, or as little standing water as I can left on the windowsill. So there we go. If you've done all that and you've followed those steps, especially on the first clean, the dirtier it is, the more it will need a scrub, the more rinsing it will need. But if the window's cleaned regularly, maybe once a month or so, you can obviously follow those steps through more quickly. Any water that's remaining on the window will be pure water, and those droplets will dry without leaving any residue at all, and it will make sure you leave a spotless shine every time. And I love the results that water-fed pole gets over the whole window, the frames and the sills as well. So if you want to get fantastic results using water-fed pole, make sure you follow those steps and be really thorough, and I hope that helps. Check out my channel, there's loads more videos on. Have a look at the playlists especially. We don't just clean windows using water-fed pole, we also clean windows using the traditional method. As well, we also have pressure washing, washing fascias and soffits, even roof cleaning. You can see our van mounted pure water system, how that was put together. There's videos about that also on my channel. So have a look, hope you enjoy. Also check out Steve's channel. He's tried just about every tool going, every tool that's out there I think Steve's tried. So he's got a great channel as well. Of course, if you don't subscribe already, have a look at that. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to his channel, and maybe I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. How about that?
Thank you for watching, and I want to take this chance to basically invite other creators, or if you would like to share a tip on my channel of something as well, please private message me, and I would love to do this a little bit more as far as sharing others tips and tricks for window cleaning on my channel. You guys have heard a lot from me, but I've always been huge on saying that everybody does it differently, and window cleaning can be done so many different ways that I would love to share other people's techniques as well. So if that's something you'd like to do, get in contact with me, and we can somehow get your clips over and get them put together. But thank you again to Ashley Mackintosh for doing this video for my channel, and you'll see more of Ashley and I doing some videos together here in the future. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.